What if I told you that the reason your home never stays clean isn't your routine, your products, or your effort? It's that you're using the wrong tools. In Japan, cleaning isn't a chore you fight through. It's a system designed so well that the home almost maintains itself. Today I'm showing you 15 Japanese-inspired cleaning products that eliminate the friction from every single cleaning task in your home. And a heads up, since people always ask me where to find these in the US, I've left verified links to every single product in the description below. Stay until the end, because product number 2 solves one of the biggest hidden hygiene problems in modern kitchens, and once you notice it, you'll never look at your trash can the same way again. 15. Binchotan Charcoal Scrub Cloth. In Japan, Binchotan charcoal has been used for centuries as a natural purifier, in water, in air, and on surfaces. The Binchotan scrub cloth brings that same principle to daily cleaning. The charcoal fibers are naturally antimicrobial. They don't just move bacteria around the way regular sponges do, they neutralize it. A regular kitchen sponge is one of the most contaminated objects in your home. Within 24 hours of use, it's a bacteria colony. You clean your counter with it, and you're spreading the problem. The Binchotan cloth doesn't harbor bacteria. It dries fast, odor doesn't develop, and the charcoal surface provides gentle abrasion without scratching. Japanese homes replace the sponge with this. Your counter is genuinely clean after wiping, not just visually. Or el bum. 14. Grout Brush. Grout lines are the silent enemy of clean-looking bathrooms and kitchens. You can clean every surface perfectly, and the grout still makes the whole room look dirty. Because grout is porous, it absorbs everything, and standard cleaning cloths can't reach inside it. Japanese bathroom culture has zero tolerance for grout buildup. The solution is specific: a narrow, stiff bristle brush designed exactly for grout lines. The grout brush has a head narrow enough to fit precisely in the line and bristles firm enough to pull out embedded dirt without damaging the grout itself. 2 minutes of scrubbing transforms bathroom tile from dingy to showroom clean. No chemicals required, just the right brush. 13. Premium Shower Squeegee. Here's the cleaning secret that Japanese bathrooms run on. They don't let water sit. After every shower, a squeegee removes water from walls and glass before it can dry into water stains, soap scum, or mildew. 30 seconds every time. The entire deep cleaning problem disappears because water stains and soap scum aren't cleaning problems. They're prevention problems. Once they build up, removing them requires serious effort and harsh chemicals. But if water never dries on the surface, buildup never forms. The premium squeegee has a wide enough head to do the full shower wall in 3 passes. The rubber blade leaves surfaces completely dry. Hang it inside the shower. Use it every time. Your shower never needs deep cleaning again. 12. Soap Dispensing Dish Brush Full Circle. The dish sponge is obsolete. Japan replaced it decades ago. A soap dispensing dish brush solves 3 problems simultaneously. First, hygiene. Sponges trap food particles and become bacterial. A brush dries completely between uses and doesn't harbor bacteria the same way. Second, convenience. The soap reservoir in the handle dispenses directly to the brush head. No reaching for the soap bottle with wet hands. No soap puddle on the counter. Third, effectiveness. The brush bristles reach corners and curved surfaces that a flat sponge physically can't access. Japanese kitchen sinks almost universally use brushes over sponges. The logic is simple. A brush cleans better, stays cleaner, and lasts longer. The sponge was never the right tool. 11. Scrub Daddy FlexTexture Sponge. Not all sponges are equal, and this one behaves differently from anything else on the market. Scrub Daddy's FlexTexture material changes its firmness based on water temperature. Cold water makes it firm for scrubbing stuck-on food. Warm water softens it for gentle surface cleaning. Japanese cleaning philosophy adapts to the surface. Firm pressure for hard stains, gentle contact for delicate finishes. Most Western cleaning applies the same force to everything, which means either not enough power on tough stains or too much damage on sensitive surfaces. One product, two behaviors, no scratches, no leftover residue. It also doesn't trap odors the way traditional sponges do. The material structure prevents bacterial buildup that makes sponges smell within days. 10. Silicone Dish Drying Mat. The traditional dish drying rack is a cleaning problem disguised as a solution. It sits on your counter permanently. It collects water. It grows mildew underneath where air can't reach. The rubber feet leave marks on counters, and it makes the whole kitchen look cluttered. Japanese kitchen design eliminates it entirely with the silicone drying mat. The silicone doesn't absorb water. Bacteria can't grow in it. It goes in the dishwasher when it needs cleaning. Your counter exists again, and your dish drying solution no longer creates more cleaning work than it saves. 9. Spray Mop. The mop and bucket system requires a commitment. You fill the bucket, wring the mop, clean the floor, empty the bucket, rinse the mop, hang it to dry. It's a project, so you do it weekly at best. Japanese floors get cleaned daily, not because Japanese people have more time, because their tool makes it as simple as walking. The spray mop holds cleaning solution in a built-in tank. You press the trigger on the handle, and solution mists directly onto the floor as you push. One motion, no bucket, no wringing, no setup. When you're done, the microfiber pad goes in the washing machine. The floor takes 4 minutes. Then it's done. And because it's that easy, it actually happens daily instead of when things get bad enough. Microfiber Cloth Set. This one challenges everything you know about cleaning products. Microfiber cloths clean with water alone. No sprays, no chemicals, no paper towels. The microfiber density, over 3 million fibers per square inch, creates a physical mechanism that pulls bacteria and dirt off surfaces rather than just moving it around. The backlock silver agent embedded in the cloth then inhibits bacterial growth within the cloth itself. Japanese minimalism applied to cleaning supplies. One cloth replaces an entire cabinet of products. I know that sounds like a marketing claim. It isn't. It's material science. The fiber structure works at a level that standard cloths, and even most paper products, don't reach. Your cleaning cabinet goes from a shelf of chemicals to a drawer of cloths, and your surfaces are cleaner. Always. 7. Tub and tile scrubber. Cleaning a bathtub requires either kneeling on a hard floor with your arms submerged or bending at an angle that guarantees back pain by the end. The Japanese don't clean that way. The tub and tile scrubber has a long handle that keeps you standing fully upright, while the scrubber head reaches every surface of the tub. The pivoting head adjusts to the angle of whatever surface you're cleaning: flat floor, curved tub wall, vertical tile. You apply cleaning solution, run the scrubber across every surface without bending, and rinse. Your back is fine. Your knees are fine. And the cleaning actually happened because it wasn't painful enough to avoid. 6. Tile and grout power scrubber. Japanese bathroom maintenance isn't manual labor. It's engineering. An electric spin scrubber rotates at 300 plus RPM. More consistent pressure and speed than any human hand can maintain for more than 30 seconds. You hold it against the surface and move it slowly. The motor does what your arm can't: sustained, even scrubbing pressure across every inch of tile, tub, and grout. Bathroom deep cleans that used to take 45 minutes of real physical effort take 12 minutes with zero strain. Your joints absorb none of it. Japan understood long ago that the goal is the clean surface, not the effort to get there. But. 5. Bottle brush, full circle. Water bottles, travel mugs, tall glasses. These are the items that never get properly cleaned because standard sponges can't reach inside them. You wash the outside. You hope the inside is fine. It isn't. The inside of a water bottle used daily develops biofilm within a week if not properly cleaned. You're drinking from a surface that looks clean and isn't. Japanese kitchen practice. Every vessel gets cleaned completely. A long-handled bottle brush with a shaped head reaches the bottom of any container, scrubs the entire interior surface, and removes what flat sponges physically cannot reach. It seems like a small thing. A properly cleaned water bottle is a significant health difference. Portable handheld steam cleaner. This is one of the closest things to professional-level cleaning you can use at home. A handheld steam cleaner uses high-pressure steam to break down grease, soap scum, grime, and buildup in places that are almost impossible to clean properly with regular sprays or wipes. Japanese homes are maintained with this kind of precision. Around sink edges, inside tile grout lines, along stovetop seams, around toilet bases, sliding door tracks, faucet crevices. These tiny areas collect the dirt that makes a home feel older and less hygienic, even when it looks clean at first glance. The steam penetrates deep into those surfaces and loosens buildup in seconds without aggressive scrubbing. What normally takes repeated wiping and harsh chemicals becomes a quick pass with concentrated steam. Surfaces feel fresher, tiles look brighter, grease lifts easier, and cleaning becomes dramatically faster with far less effort. Stainless steel soap bar. One of the most common complaints after cooking, hands that smell like garlic, fish, or onion no matter how much soap you use. This is a real chemical problem. The odor compounds from these foods bond to skin in a way that regular soap doesn't break. Stainless steel reacts with those compounds at a molecular level and neutralizes them. This is established chemistry, not a gimmick. Japanese professional kitchens have used stainless steel for odor removal for decades. The stainless steel soap bar brings the same mechanism home. You rub it under running water like regular soap for 30 seconds. Odor gone, completely. It lasts forever, never expires, zero waste. One of those solutions that makes you wonder why it took so long to exist outside professional kitchens. Touchless Trash Can. The trash can is the most touched contaminated surface in your kitchen. You open it when your hands are full of raw meat, when they're covered in vegetable scraps, when they have whatever was on the counter. Then you touch the lid, and then you touch other things. Japanese kitchens eliminate this cross-contamination point with sensor-operated or step-pedal trash cans that require no hand contact. The Bosch Touchless Trash Can opens with foot pressure. Your hands never touch it. The cross-contamination cycle is interrupted. It's not a luxury. It's hygiene logic applied to the most obvious contamination source in the room, and the lid seals completely, which means odors stay contained. Your kitchen doesn't smell like your trash can. 1. Extendable Microfiber Duster. Ceiling fans, top of cabinet surfaces, light fixtures, crown molding. These are the places where dust accumulates visibly, and cleaning them involves ladders, awkward reaching, and real fall risk. Japanese homes clean these surfaces regularly because they have the right tool. An extendable microfiber duster reaches ceiling height from the floor. The microfiber head traps dust instead of redistributing it into the air. The flexible neck bends to reach fan blades and angled surfaces. 2 minutes per room. No ladder, no dust cloud, no risk. These surfaces stop being quarterly crisis cleans and become regular 2-minute maintenance. When dust can't accumulate to visible levels, your home permanently looks cleaner without additional effort. 15 products, each one eliminating a specific friction point in your cleaning routine. But here's what connects all of them. The Japanese don't clean more. They've engineered their tools so that cleaning less actually produces better results. The right brush for the right surface, the right material for the right job. Prevention instead of restoration wherever possible. You don't need all 20 today. Look at the cleaning task in your home that frustrates you most, the one you avoid, the one that takes too long, the one that never seems to work. There's a product on this list that solves exactly that problem. All links are in the description, verified and organized by product number. If this changed how you think about your cleaning routine, subscribe, because every week we go deeper into what Japan figured out and the rest of the world is still catching up on. See you Saturday.